Hey everybody, I wanted to do a really quick video for you guys today. I don't know what direction I'm gonna go in with this style, but I want to find something that's simple, kind of updo, something that can be transformed into a really nice holiday look. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's looking a little rough. And I mean, I could probably still rock this twist out. I love how full and thick it is, but I'm probably gonna try to do some type of updo and just work with what's already here. What that's gonna be, I do not know, so come along with me on this journey to try to figure out what exactly I'm gonna be able to do with this hair of mine. There are a few products from Uncle Funky's Daughter that I'm gonna use for this style. The first thing that I'm gonna need is ponytail holders. I'll have a few of those on hand, as well as bobby pins. I'll also be using Thirsty Curls, which is a leave-in conditioner that's going to help me to saturate my hair along with my water bottle. I'm also going to be using Curly Magic. That's going to be my gel, something that's going to give my hair a nice sleek look. And then Supercurl, which is the cream that I like to use to kind of make sure my hair is nice and moisturized. And if needed, I may pull on some Shining Star. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I have an idea. I have an idea in mind of what I want to do. I'm just going to do 3 sections, but in between each section I want to try to do a flat twist. And I have it divided for the flat twist, so it looks like this. And that's the best I can do with my parting. So I'm going to put the flat twist here with this smaller section. I'm just going to add a little bit of product, the Supercurl, just so I can have some moisture. And then I will flat twist toward the center. Okay, so I've installed the flat twist. What I'm gonna do is take each one of those sections. I'm gonna detangle and do some type of like really cute, kind of like a pinup look, or just buns, and just kind of make that really cute. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'll start in the back section and then just work my way up, and we'll go from there and see how it looks.
I'll start by applying the Thirsty Curls leave-in conditioner just to saturate my hair to make it easier to detangle. Then I'll apply some of the Supercurl, starting at the ends and working the product up, and then use my wide tooth comb to lightly detangle my hair. Once completed, I'll take the Curly Magic and add that just at the base of my hair, and then take my brush to make it nice, sleek, and smooth, and install my first ponytail. Once I have my ponytail in place, I do want to make sure that my hair remains nice and detangled, so I'll use my wide tooth comb again and then install a chunky twist. And I'll just repeat those steps for each one of my 3 sections using all of the same products, the Thirsty Curl, Supercurl, and Curly Magic. With my front ponytail in place, I'm going to take those 2 front flat twists, wrap it around the ponytail, and secure it in place with bobby pins. Then I'll divide that ponytail in half and just wrap it around the front section just to create like a really cute, unique bun. With the front bun secured in place, I'll move to the second ponytail. I'll divide that in half to install 2 chunky twists. I'll take the first chunky twist and pin it going towards the front, and the second chunky twist going towards the back. here's the finished look. I just added a couple of hair accessories to dress up the look, but that's completely optional. You can leave those out if you like. I love the fact that my hair looks so sleek and effortless, and I didn't have to add any additional hair. And here's another option for you. If you don't like the chunky twist just hanging down in the back, you can simply take the end and tuck it under and secure it in place with a bobby pin to give it more of a finished, complete look. I hope you all enjoyed today's holiday look featuring Uncle Funky's daughter. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!